it's me, Redwing Plays here, and today I'll be teaching you my first tutorial on how to build the one and the only me. So what you'll be needing in this tutorial is yellow wool, white wool, red wool, orange hardened clay, red hardened clay, and lime wool. So as you can see at the toes, that they have a little weird stuff here. So we're going to build that first on the sequence. So let's put, so copy me when I do this. One white wool, go behind it by 2, just like that. And then all you want to do then, just go like this. And then just add the 4 blocks here, and then follow my sequence here. 2 yellow wool going up, one white wool, 1 yellow wool, and that's the first leg. Now we're going to do that on the other side, so we want to space out by 2. 1, 2. Go like that, go like that, go like that, and do the same what you copied on this side. So there. And then you want to add 2 layers here, and then 1 layer and a white. So it'll look like that. So there's the toes done. Now, we haven't got to the best bit first yet, guys. So now, on every statue you want to put this height up to 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you want to do that on the other side too. Just get it to the right amount. Now on these 2 sides, it's going to be a block here. So as you see on my skin, there's little blocks on the little legs. I'll zoom in so you can see the yellow there. So now we're going to do this. So as you see here again, goes like that. So you want to lay this one up to 13 blocks and then get this one up to 12. That one can stay, and then you do the 13 block again. There. Now as you're doing this, you want to have orange wool too, don't forget that, guys. You want to use your hardened clay like this. So basically 1 and then there. And then again 1 and then there. Then also you want to put the orange wool in that to make it look like that. Okay, so then what we're going to do, so we're going to go back to the back of the legs, so we don't have to come back to this later. Basically what we're going to do is just do the same that we did on the front, but in a different way, as you can tell. There. Go. And then go like that. I will be doing more tutorials on how to build statues, by the way, guys. So if you want more, you'll be getting more. So then, what you want to do, now you've done that, you want to grab your red wool. Now, you want to do this. Layer it out, and it'll all go like this by 1. So if you copy the sequence I am doing right now, you'll get it right. So let's just cover this bit of the legs too. So then, what you want to do, guys, go like this, and like this. Then you want your hardened red clay, and you want to put 1 there and 1 there, and leave 2 gap here. What you want to do for a 2 gap, you want to grab some smooth red sandstone even. What you want to do, fill the 2 spaces in, go like this, like it's like that. So as you see, it's like stairs. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to copy that on the other side too, guys. And there. So next, what you want to do is you're going to like grab your orange clay, as you can see. And what you want to do is just, basically just do that. Just cover that and don't add like these bits of the bumps. So, and then on this, you want to bring it up by 1. Do that on the other side. And then go like that. But then delete that block. Then delete that block. As you guys can tell. And then you want to do that again. And again. And again for the 2s. So then, what you want to do is grab your smooth redstone and basically do what you did, but don't do like that bit. I'm permanently saying this, do not do that. Okay, so you want to do that. And then grab your hardened red clay. So we're basically doing that thing again here, the red clay, and we're doing it here. So you go like that, and then like that. And then you want to grab your sandstone and you want to fill in the 2 gaps. Okay, there you go. Now, as you see, there's a hole in the stomach bit. Well, how to cover that up? Grab your orange wool and just do the same that you did for the orange clay. Guys, if I am going too fast, by the way, you can pause this video and do step by steps. And then what you're going to want to do then, for his stomach, grab your yellow wool and then just fill the rest in. Not so hard, is it? And then at the end of the things you have to do, like put that there and then do the same on the other side. But then go across like that. So guys, you've basically done the stomach. If you're watching properly, it will look like this. So if you have, comment down below. Then you want to just like, you don't have to add any detail here, because this is where the arms will be. So you're fine, guys. Actually, I'm thinking that we shouldn't actually put this wall up, because if we want to look at the other side and you get stuck again, guys, then I can help you and you can just look up the other side. So yeah, let's just do the back. So fill it in fully red and I'll help you do the tail. It's going pretty well. So after you've done that, it's time to do the arms. So let's just do that. Now, I have to admit, the arms are pretty hard to do. So basically, the arms are literally, or should I go like this? Like that. So yeah. What you're going to have to do is, I'm not fully trained of building a statue. Okay, what you're going to do is, it's going to be across by 3, and that one has to be down by 3. Those 2 have to be down by 4. So just add 1 more layer to that. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab your sandstone and go like this. So yeah. Now, oh my god. What you're going to want to do, what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab your orange wool, go down by 4, grab this and layer it up like that. And then go like that. At least then you can tell that has been like socialified. And then you want to grab your sandstone, lower it by 2 down, and then grab your yellow wool then. But first, before you grab your yellow wool, you're going to, this is what I'm going to do for now. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go like this and that. There. Now let's just do this. That is the first one done, guys. Wasn't so hard this time. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. I think the head will be the easiest. And guys, if you get any trouble, just look what's there. And it'll help you a lot. Like that. And then here, down by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, oh yeah, and then you're gonna, wait a second, it is so complicated, there, yeah, there, and then what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna yellow wool, okay, doop, doop, do there. Now your arms are done. Now the final step is the head. So what you're going to do is you're going to cover this bit up, guys. And then, as you see, we only have a blank thing. Now you have to find the 4 blocks in here, the middle bit. Because this is wide enough by 8, so it fits in perfectly. So now the head is the easiest part, as you see, because I'm a bird. What you're going to do is you're going to, like, take this out, like, there. And you're going to pull it forward by 2, like that. Then you're going to grab your yellow and then pull it forward by 2 again. Wait. There we go. Like that. And then grab your head backwards too. So it's 2 there. Don't forget, guys, I'll be showing you how to do the tail after. So, oh my goodness, so much people online. I'm trying to record a video here. Anyway, so you're gonna, like, put 4 blocks into it. You add 2 onto this layer, then you add 1 block, and then you just cover it up to there. So this is where the beak's going to be. Go find the middle for the 2 block, there. Now you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do 2 there. You want to bring the 2, 1 up forward by 1, and then the 4, 1 forward by 3, so 1, 2, 3. So, and now this one, you want to bring these 2 by 3, and the other one, but this one by 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've basically done the beak now, guys. So now, we're going to do the eyes, so go right next to the bit, the 2 bit here. Going to add 2 greens and do that on the other side too. So we're just going to do that. Oh. Now what you're going to do is cover it in fully red now. So, and then cover that by 2. So lift, after you've done the eye, lift that up by 2. So you know what the height is. It's 8 by 8 the head. Just telling you guys. Okay. There we go. Oh my god. Can take a while sometimes. There we go. I'll be doing such more tutorials, but I think that I should do this tutorial first, this builder one, because it is my skin after all. That's why I chose to do this one. I've been thinking of doing it for a while though. So now we're going to cover the head, and then we're going to do his little, I have no clue what it is on his head, but it's this thing. I'll show you. You can see on his head there. So you're going to want to find the 2-bit here and go out by this. So do that. 4. Then upper that by 1. And then take this 2, 1 and like take it back by 1. So that'll be 3. Then all you got to do left is just grab yellow, cover that bit, and then overlap it like that. So you've basically done your skin. But, guys, where's the little tail? You don't really think I'd forget about that. So you got to find the 2-bit here. It's easy to see because of this bit. So you grab your 2, grab your smooth redstone, sandstone, and go up by 2, to the left by 2, and down by 1, and then in the middle up by 1. And then basically what you're going to do, you know in the corner that goes to that, you want to place a block there and do the same on the other side. So it's like that. Now. Oh god. It's really hard to remember what you do next. Okay, now you're going to add your orange wool, cover that bit, and that bit, and that bit. Okay. So then also you're going to do that. Then you're going to go down by 1 and grab that like that. That's what it's done anyway. You do that on both sides. Then you grab your yellow wool. Wait. Yeah, what? Wait a second, guys. We're back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So what you're going to do, you're going to get rid of them 2. And then you're going to grab your yellow, put 1 block there, right at the side, go up by 3, 2, 3, and then put 2 there. And that's your first one. And then here, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go 2, and then there's the last bit. And oh boy, it's hard. See, what you're going to do is you go in the corner, just add that orange block. Now grab your orange clay, do that. Now with your yellow bit, you're going to go up by 1, after you put that yellow down, to the right by 1, and then up by 1. And there you have it. So, yeah. I cannot find it. There we go. So there you have it, guys. That is the skin of Kazooie bird. And if you want more tutorials, please comment down below, and I will be so on those tutorials. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget, if you want to be a team of the wings, comment down below and
hashtag wings. See ya.
I love you guys. Bye.